Guys, so here's a little quick tip for you on moving and making it absolutely as simple and as seamlessly as possible. So you have a bunch of nice suits, you don't want to screw them up, you don't want to fold them or any of that stuff, because then you got to send them all to get repressed to the cleaners and all that. So, quick little tip. Zip ties, wrap it right around there. I actually got a pretty damn good sized bundle right here. I said, let me shear this because it's pretty smart, okay? Put the zip tie around it, okay? Take the rack off, or take the hangers off, hang them over a chair, plastic bag it, moving on the fly, baby. Can't tell you where we're going. Underground. So, regular plastic bag. I don't know, 45-gallon bag. What you do is you open the bag up, get the air in there, you poke your finger through here, make a little tip for the hangers to go through right here like this, okay? What I do is I take it and I go like this so I can line it up properly. It's really, really simple. You saw the zip tie, how and then you just like torque it down so it grabs all the hangers. I could do a little bit more. And it grabs all the hangers, okay? You bring it through, find where you're at right here. Of course, now I'm making a video. It's taking a couple seconds longer, but you put that through like this. Can you see? Put it right through to hold it. You just made with your fingers. Okay, and match pad. Take it, boom, like this. You pull it like this. Grab it, grab the hangers, all of them. You'll grab all of them. God, so that's heavy. But you don't have to do so many like me, but I got a lot of clothes, so I need all the room I can get. Okay? The bag goes around them, covers them all. You can put them on the thing in your car, you can hang them up, or you can lay them down in your back seat like this. And that's packing your suits and moving made easy 101. All right, guys, enjoy. I hope you find this video helpful for your future moves. And this is Luigi, the Italian cooking guy. Check me out. And I'll be back with you guys soon on another new video. Enjoy. God bless.